Hi there, U.S. government students. It's Mr. Kerr, actually here at school doing the weekly video today, and I wanted to just real quick, we're going to be talking about week 9, and it's called MappVOhio. We'll go over that in just a second. Just a couple of things, of course, as always, please, on this first day of the week for us, Tuesday, watching the video. Good. Definitely want you doing that. And please make sure you check your grade book, check your messages, email and text messages and all that good stuff as well. And you should be doing that on a daily or at least every other day basis. Anyways, also just wanted to really kind of stress this suggested schedule. This is last week's week 8, but when you see the new one up here for week 9, really try to follow that schedule. I know some people, some of the teachers encourage you to do all of your weekly work in 1 or 2 days or something. In this class, I think especially with our discussion boards, it really makes sense to kind of spread it out over the entire week. And so I really suggest that. And also just a reminder about our Start Here folder right here, and open that up, and it has syllabus, contact information for me, first 4 assignments, of course, and then tips, tricks, and student resources, all sorts of things. I have found that about 95% of all questions about this class can be answered if you just go, if you're familiar with all the resources here. So again, we are in Unit 2, Civic Engagement. And of course, a big thing of civic engagement is about to, should be starting, and over the next few weeks, voting here in Colorado and through mail balloting. Those should be coming out. In fact, we might have a little bit of extra credit available for folks. So this week, what we are looking at is this, it's a court case called Mapp v. Ohio versus Ohio. It has to do with the Fourth Amendment and privacy. There are some videos to watch, a reading to do. You're going to be taking some notes and turning in those notes, and then you have a discussion board. So with the please read over everything very carefully. You have these 10 vocab words, which should be in your notes. You should be taking notes and make sure you understand all of these based on the Chapter 15 reading that you're doing here, this search and seizure map v. Ohio video. And you'll be turning in your notes for a grade here. Some other questions and things that you definitely should take notes on here. Transcript of the video if you want. And then, of course, our discussion board. And so in this discussion board, you will be creating the leveled questions. So the level 1, level 2, level 3 questions that we did, what was that, week 4 or 5, I think we did that in Unit 1. So the directions on levels of questions down here at the bottom, the reading as well. So make sure you base your notes and your questions on the reading and the video that we're watching this week. And so those are the 2 things. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Happy to help. Make sure you're going through and completing everything. Please make sure to get your questions posted by Friday, so that that gives people the opportunity to reply and answer your questions, so that everyone can get the discussion board done in a timely manner. Great. Oh, also, use at least 5 of your 10 vocab words in your questions. So that's what you're going to be basing your questions on anyways. And underline your vocab words so that I can easily see them in your questions. Let me know if you have any questions. Make sure you take a look at your gradebook, any feedback on things that I've returned to you. And happy October. See you soon. Bye.